All right, Trista's here for this week. Spring break for her, but she's already informed us she's got things she's got to do, so she won't be here all week. She'll be most of the week. But one of the things we're working on, and I know we haven't mentioned it recently, is our open house. So the first thing we're working on is the date. It's going to be somewhere in the September, October, November area. We want it to be a little cooler. We want it to not be in the busy season of all the summer rush and allow people to be able to travel down. The reason we haven't talked about it a lot is there's a lot. 2 pages worth in brainstorming just quickly. There's so much to do because we've got to have a head count of some sort, so that's going to be part of it. We've got to have staff, and we've actually got to decide with the shop being off-site. A lot of you guys are going to want to see the shop. The shop is a working shop, so it's hard to shut the shop down. Do we do a certain amount of time up at the shop, then a certain amount of time up here? Parking here, we got some overflow. Parking at the shop, there's no overflow. So do we run a shuttle bus? These are just a couple quick things. Of course, we got to have some potties. There's days worth of moving vehicles that Trista doesn't have to worry about, so that we have the mega trucks here, so that we have some of the race trucks here, so that we have some of my dad's stuff here that we don't keep on site. All that needs to be here. Here's where we want you guys' input, and we value this. Please, even if you're a person that does not ever comment, now's the time to comment, because we want to accommodate. And we know a lot of y'all want to come to this, and we want you here. We want you to see everything. We want you to see the backfield. We want you to see the showroom areas that you don't get to see. The areas that AJ sneaks people into for their special occasions, especially when it's a birthday. He's got a soft spot. If you come here on your birthday, AJ's got a soft spot for taking you for a ride and taking the 10-door out. Maybe we use the 10 doors the shuttle that day. I mean, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
So we're really working on it. We want to have some giveaways. We want to have some awards, like for the person that travels the furthest. Trista's been doing really good, checking with our insurance company. We're going to have hundreds upon hundreds of extra people on the premises. We need to make sure, heck, maybe even thousands, we don't know. We need to make sure that we don't need extra coverage, or what coverage we do need. We're trying to do this very professional, like an event. Hence her stuff, my hen scratch. She's doing a good job. She wants me to speak, and that's fine. I don't mind. I don't really like speaking in front of a crowd versus I speak in front of you guys all day, every day, it seems like. But I do want to do some interaction, stuff that I can speak of my dad's, have some awards out, some things that I think he would like to say. It's his 50th anniversary. And my mom's. I haven't been here for all 50 of them. I've been here 1 year short of all 50 of them. Trista's only been here for a small few. Everybody else has only been here for a small few. It's really his anniversary that we want to celebrate and make recognition of, because he's the one that allowed us to get to this point. We want to have the SEMA trucks here. We want to have the show trucks here. We want to have Brian and Daniel's trucks here. And there's some trucks that you guys have never even seen on the channel that those two have. And myself. So we really want to have it so that we can interact. Now, I won't be able to spend hours with a single person, obviously, so that's where she's concerned a little bit. How do we interact? How do I not go home and pass out for a week being so tired, because we're already wearing ourselves out every day? It's going to be a busy day, and we do need all hands on deck, so we got to get the rest of the family in. We've even had you guys, customers, subscribers, on different avenues of, some people don't watch us on YouTube. They watch us on Facebook, but have reached out and said, hey, I'll be there. I'll help. I'll do whatever it takes. Thank y'all. We really appreciate it. We're probably going to need it. Food trucks, coffee trucks, ice cream trucks, getting all that arranged. Have some voting. What's y'all's favorite truck? What is it? Again, a lot of y'all don't want to comment, but in person, if you want to write it down, you can. Make things simple. We want to film a lot of it. She wants to get a lot of interactions with customers that have traveled from near and far, of, what your experience was being here. Maybe you're not even a customer. Maybe you'll never be a customer. That's okay. If you're a follower of ours, you're supporting us. Just as important as a customer that comes in and spends money on a vehicle. We got to get QR codes so that people can scan things, save it to their phone. Trista, I'm doing all the talking. Why are you not talking?
We want to do a QR code where people can take pictures throughout the day, and it'll send them all to us. That way we can make kind of a collage with people's interactions of the day and with the vehicles and things like that.
She wants me to get a few of the YouTube and influencers here on site also that you guys seem to like as well, because we like-minded people. So that may be where we have somebody in here for you guys to do a little, meet and greet with them. We want to run some slideshows, so that's going to take.
Yep.
AJ's got our TV set up, but that's going to take getting everything loaded and ready so that it's playing over there. AJ loving our trailer. AJ wants our trailer set up. He's like, the trailer's got to be there and set up, so that's a must. Some charity, if there's any donations or people that do in the community, we want to be able to engage them with the local organizations. Time slots, we may have to do it in a time slot type thing just to see how it's going to work. Again, once we launch this, her idea is to have a ticket-based system. Does not cost y'all anything. I want to clarify that.
Just to get a RSVP head count type of thing.
Correct. And have it so that maybe we have to break it into, we think this amount of people per this time slot may work best. Again, some of it's just going to be ad lib. We're going to have to figure it out, but it's a big deal. We want to go all in. We want to have everything ready. We're having to start now to forecast for 6 months from now for this. And I only have her time and attention right now currently. I have a little bit more here soon, but we want to get as much of it done as possible.
And we want to do it right too, because if this goes good, then we can do multiple more events of the same nature in the future.
So Trista brought up another good thing, because of the fact that we have now the trailer, which she's excited about as well. She saw it all closed up here earlier. It was literally sitting in this little square right here. And how cool it is, she can even probably pull it with a car. Let's get her a hitch, AJ. Let's try it. We'll put it behind her car and show her how to use it. We're going to have to give her a pole to open it up. But it's so easy now. So she wants us to forecast. And she sees a lot of the comments. She pays attention. She watches the videos. So she knows that people do want to interact. So she wants us to put together a schedule of where we're going to be, what events we're going to do.
Kind of like a tour almost.
Yeah, she's like put together like a little date tour of where we're going to be, what we're going to do, mud bogs, truck shows, events. And it'd be good for all of us to know. So I'm not telling AJ on a Friday, we're doing something on a Saturday. So it would be good to have this stuff forecasted a little bit. And that's what we're also working towards. Trista's going to get things organized for me. She just went through a stack of papers like this today and got it down to like this. So she's doing good. First day back. But we want this open house to be huge. We want any event we go to be huge. You guys come and want merchandise, and we don't have it. You want koozies, we don't have it. We don't even have business cards. I don't have a business card in my pocket or my wallet. AJ's more prepared than I am, So we're trying hard there, and she's trying very hard to get us organized, and she's going to be a big part of this. She realizes it's a big deal. We don't even have signs on the building. Like, guys, we just can't get it all done in a day's time. Customer just walked past us here. Y'all might have saw him in the background. He's buying that Suburban. We got another customer getting ready to show up to buy a Ford F-150 in the back. We have to run the business in day to day. Unfortunately, we can't disconnect from that. The shop's the same way. We can't disconnect. Brian, Daniel, Jake, Johnny, Jay. I always forget to mention Jay in the front. That's the guy you see when you come into the parts counter. They can't just disconnect from their business and just say, hey, put a sign up, be back later. We don't close for lunch. People still call every day. What hour do you go to lunch? Never. Trista made my lunch today. Actually, it was good. Homemade pizza. It was pretty good. You didn't see that, did you, AJ? AJ would have snagged a slice. We got to have a plan for parking. So we got a pretty decent amount of parking.
Not enough to accommodate thousands of people.
Yeah, not enough to accommodate what's probably going to happen. When the monks came through here, the parking over there, we got a good feel for it, actually. And how many vehicles can be lined up over there and over here. And it was a weekend, so we were closed. So I think we're going to have us set up in like a closed situation, and then have the parking be where we park, our customers would normally park. So it's a lot to deal with. It's a lot to figure out.
Also figuring out getting across this busy street right here.
Getting across the street, y'all can all hold hands and, and just in unison come across. We might have to have a traffic crossing guard that day. We actually, the local police will support it if we need it. So if we really do need something like that, we don't know. Honestly don't know what to expect. We don't know how to do this. We're proud to be able to do it. And Trista's watched long enough to know that it's time to give back, some time to you guys. And it's hard. You guys will see it firsthand, but I will probably that day just have to say, hey, Trista, you hold on to this, because there'll be calls ringing in. There's transporters. We're setting up a transport right now for a truck to leave. They're not going to be here till 7. We close at 6. We're going to make it work. It just happens that way. What else you got, Trista? Anything for the people that we need to ask for their input? That's the main reason for this video. So I told her to come outside. We're doing a video, so she didn't really know what.
I had no clue what was going on.
She didn't know what the purpose of the video was, but she's done good. We got to have merch stocked up so that you guys can carry it with you, which is great because mail kind of sucks sometimes. You got to have some seats. You guys got to have somewhere to sit. You got to have somewhere to use the bathroom. So that's, like I said, the toilets we can get in place. And we still got to get infrastructure ready. We still got stuff to do. We still got lights to put up. We still got signs to put up. We got banners to put up. We got some things that y'all are going to cause us to do that we've been needing to do anyway. Getting a 3-wheeler display. I want you guys to be able to explore that. We got to pray the palm trees come back to life, or we're going to have to be doing a little work there. AJ just shrugged his head. That is not, maybe we'll get done early this year so we're not sweating and we're doing it at 100 degrees. At least we got cranes and bucket trucks and we'll make it work. A little better this year than years past. Yeah, we all had about a heat stroke situation. So we want to thank you guys though. Without y'all, we can't do this. We'd still have an open house, but we wouldn't be able to broadcast it across the world, and across the country, and across the state like we can because of you guys following and watching. 50 years is a big deal. There's other businesses that have done it, of course, but it's a milestone. We want to put the money out. We want to do the giveaways. We want to give back, and I want to be able to give my time that day to talk to people that have probably purchased and never been here in person. I want you guys to do that. I want some customers to pick their vehicle up that day. Hopefully we'll have some shop vehicles wrapping up. We'll have some dealership vehicles wrapping up, and maybe that'll be a great time to have some, stuff like that. Maybe even have some unveils, surprises.
I thought of something to say. Maybe y'all drop comments on who y'all would like to see here. YouTubers, and maybe specific vehicles or anything that y'all would like showcased.
Yeah, somebody, especially if somebody's in the area or remote. Well, they don't have to be in the area. Just somebody that you guys would like to see that is in our same genre of stuff.
We'll try to make it happen.
Yeah, we'll try to make it happen on the back end. And it'd be a 2-for-1. You guys can come do that, see them. They can get to interact with our customers as well. They can bring their merch trailers up or whatever. So tag your favorite influencer. AJ will try to get this on Facebook and Instagram. We'll definitely get it on TikTok and YouTube. And we're looking for your feedback. We want to know. Trista wants to know. This will turn into 4 or 5 pages. She'll have drafts drawn out.
Grandma's bringing me a notebook tomorrow.
Yeah, she's got a whole notebook for it. So she's very organized, and we're blessed to have that. So thanks, guys. Again, I know we haven't mentioned it in a while. It is happening. The next thing I want to have done before this week is over is we're going to pick a date. That's our goal for now, to make some phone calls, to get some of the other infrastructure, I call it, things organized, check with some local places if we need overflow for parking. And I got to get my button gear to have that building ready and that building ready and that building ready. And I got a lot to do, but it'll cause us to get it done because we want to do it. And we want to surprise as many people as we can with some things in person that y'all don't see in the day-to-day. So thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.
Thank y'all. Bye.